thing. But let's hear what people are saying here. Yes, we have been prepared since January for this. People need to stop listening to the mainstream media, and they would have known about this in December. So that's weird.
Yeah, it actually started, from my understanding, I believe it started at the beginning of December, is when it actually started to in China.
Because it's got the 19, this coronavirus 2019. Right?
Yeah, so it started in December of 2019. And again, I'm not an expert on this. I'm getting the same information as probably most of you are. But I am choosy with my information too. I don't go with, I don't necessarily trust all the authoritative sources because all the experts don't really seem to be as knowledgeable as they claim to be, as we've seen in many cases. Yeah. And the authoritative sources in, popular media can be sensationalist at times. So
they just want the clicks.
Yeah,
you gotta realize that they're no different. Like the media companies are no different than me. We need your clicks. We need you to click on our content and our videos and our story. But the problem is that I'm just some dude with my own opinion that is completely biased or whatever, where the news people, they should have a responsibility to be not just get, not to play tricks to try to get your clicks. They should have some, integrity when it comes to the kind of content they're going to put out there. I don't have that, right? I'm just a regular dude. But somehow we're at the same level. Now we're fighting for your clicks, which shouldn't be the case, but it is. It's unfortunate. So yeah, you have to be careful